The new iOS 26 Beta 1 is finally here with the biggest redesign since iOS 7. And here's everything new that Apple presented for iOS 26. Well, we get a brand new design with this what they call liquid glass look, which is actually pretty cool, and especially when you use the transparent icons, it looks quite amazing. We also get a new lock screen with this clock right here, which is actually pretty amazing. As you can see, it will stretch like this, and as you get notifications, it becomes smaller. It's actually really cool. We also get redesigned icons for every app, the stock apps of iOS, which is really awesome. And we get two brand new apps. The preview app is here now on iOS, as well as a new gaming app, which is really cool. Now, when you go to the home screen here and you go to customize, now you can also edit the wallpaper directly from here. There are also these new menus that you will see pretty much now everywhere on iOS. They actually look pretty cool, and most of the apps will have now a search button right here, and you will have these like floating menus pretty much everywhere on iOS. There is also a brand new camera app which is focused right here on photos and videos. It allows to quickly switch between two of these. Of course, these are the features that are mostly used on the Photos app, actually on the camera app, but you can still swipe like this to actually go to the other modes. The Messages app also has gotten a ton of updates which are really cool. You can finally change the background of your messages, and you can even create backgrounds using AI. You can now have polls right here, so if you just want to ask like a question to your friends, you can just go ahead and add a poll right here, and it will be really easy to make choices. You will also have finally typing indicators for group chats, which is really awesome. And on iMessage as well as calls and FaceTime, you will have live translation, which will show you the translation in text, and in calls and also of course a FaceTime, it will even live translate with speech, which is really awesome. And we also get this new look for the keyboard. And with Playground on iOS 26, you now also get a ChatGPT image style. So if you don't like the sketch or the illustration styles of iOS, you can just go ahead and switch to ChatGPT style. A ton of updates on the music app as well. Of course, we get the all new look right here, the search here, but now you will also have lyrics translations. You can also now pin your music and auto mix, which will basically make switching from one song to another seamless, and it will auto mix the songs. It's actually pretty cool. The new gaming app is where you will have everything about your game. So it's the home right here, then you will have the arcade, play together, and you will have the library of all of your games. The Wallet app on iOS 26 gets digital ID, order tracking, and also more car keys. The Phone app has gotten a ton of cool updates. With the Phone apps, now you will have call screening, which will basically screen calls from unknown numbers before you can answer them, and you will also have a unified layout and also hold assist, which is an amazing feature that will actually save you the line when you're actually on a call, when you're waiting for an agent, and you will have that music playing. It actually saves the call for you, so you can go about your day, and it will actually notify you once the agent is available. We also get updates on CarPlay, the new design of course, but we also get widgets and live activities. So these are some of the new things that you can find on iOS 26. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button for more videos.